My name's Xanthe and I study on 3D design and craft. I chose to study 3D design and craft at Brighton because it seemed like there was a real focus on making and learning skills and trying out lots of different materials, and it seemed a bit different to other 3D courses where there might have been more of a focus on kind of product design. In first year you are working in all the material areas, so wood, metal, plastics and ceramics, and you get to try out all different skills and processes, and then you kind of specialise a bit later on. In second year I did heavy metal and ceramics, so I did 2 ceramics projects and 1 heavy metal forging, welding project. Well, the facilities on 3D are amazing. We have kind of pretty much everything you could wish for, and we have, I think, a lot of space compared to other 3D courses, and to be honest, even other courses in the university. We have a lot of space. So in third year we have, well, I'm in ceramics at the moment, and we have our own desk in ceramics, which is really great, somewhere to put your stuff. And because the course is smaller than other courses, I think, in the university, there's a really strong sense of community, and you're in the workshops with the third years and the first years and the second years all in the workshop together. So you kind of get to know everyone, and that's really lovely. And all the technicians are amazing. Like, they just are so helpful and they know so much, and there's so much to be learnt from them. Always ready to help. It's really inspiring being on this campus where there's so many different art subjects being studied and lots of pop-up kind of exhibitions, and you can see work everywhere. You've got textiles and sculpture and graphic design and everything. So it's an inspiring environment in that sense, in that you're doing your course, but you're kind of constantly aware of all these other things that are being done in the university. And I suppose there are opportunities to kind of collaborate. I love that you can walk most places. It makes a really big difference. I love the green spaces. I love the nature reserve. I've always lived in Hanover, kind of up Elm Grove. So the White Hawk Nature Reserve is just at the top of that hill, and you can have an amazing view from there of the sea and the whole city. And you've got the South Downs not that far either. So yeah, that's one of the main things I love about Brighton. For my final project this year, I've been digging clay locally in Sussex and Surrey, and I've been doing a number of projects with groups of local people, running workshops and making things for specific groups of people with clay that I've dug. I hope when I graduate that I will continue working with groups of people and doing participatory work and running workshops. I would like to keep working with clay when I graduate. It's been kind of amazing to realise how abundant it is and available it is as a material, and figuring out how to find clay and dig it. I think there's a lot of potential there for workshops and inviting people into that process is quite interesting for me.